Hello friend, today I am tell you how to create country code selection when we use phone authentication. So let's get started. First, when we click on search button, then open a dialog box. In this dialog box, when we enter country name, then you can see country code. If we click on it, it's selected. You can see now. And if we enter direct country code, then you also see country and you can click and you can see it's selected. Hello friends, now let's get started. First we create a country sample class because in this class we contain name, phone code, country code and icon is not compulsory. I will not use in my list view. Okay, now create other class which is create these countries data so we can use in our list view. Okay, now go to our main dart file. In this dart file, first we create run app in main method and call my app. My app is extend stateless widget. Okay, stateless widget and stateless widget is called a method build method and we will use safe area because we can't use app bar and in this safe area we can use scaffold and inner body type we call hero. Hero is another class which is stateful widget. Okay, now in hero state class we can use elevation buttons. You can see that it is elevation button. Now we click on this, then open a search dialog box and this is search dialog box and it is country code selection dialog box. Okay, when we click it you can see this is our country code selection dialog box. We can use image filter because you can see in dialog box outer is blur and we can use stateful builder because our list view is dynamically shrink and grow. Like if we search India, then our list view is shrink, and if come back, then it's again go in previous state. So it these can happen with stateful builder with widgets. Okay. Mm, now Now we start our design dialog box. Text form field. Text form field is used to search our country code, country, and etc. Okay. And set state is used because when we search any data with match our list view, then it's stored in template. Okay. Template and input decoration. It's used for decoration purpose. Now we go in bottom. This list view contains all country code. First phone code, second is name, and when we click on any item, then dialog box is dismissed, and these country codes is showing snack bar like that. Show snack bar. Oh, sorry. I okay. Now if we'll select item, then snack bar is shown like that. Select country code is Albania and plus 355. Okay, and I will provide you these all code in GitHub in my description code so you can copy and paste. If you want further action perform, then you can just go create a method, function, and action, and on tab pass this function parameters tab list country country. Now Now this code which you will select, sure, simple. Wait, I will just copy and paste this method so you can clearly understand what I will do. Okay. First we dot name, then yeah, complete. Okay, now you can see first control S to save and run again. Now you can see if I click on Albania, then you can see Albania is selected. If I select other country like India, then you can see, yeah, India is selected. So you can use these phone picker, phone authentication if you use country code selections. Okay, it's very easy, don't need any packages, and or you can create your country code selection widget. Okay, thank you.